In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Webflow. By the end, you'll know how to quickly find Webflow through Google, open your project, and use a code block to add social sharing buttons to your blog page. Then save your changes with confidence. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Webflow. In the results, look for the official listing titled Webflow. Create a custom website, Visual Website Builder, and click it. This brings you to Webflow's site, where you can sign in and access your workspace if you aren't already signed in. Once you're in, go to your dashboard and open the project you want to work on. From there, use the option to view your site or open it in the designer. Viewing the site helps you confirm you're on the right project before you start making edits, and the designer is where you'll add elements. Inside the designer, open the Add panel to access the elements you can drop onto the page. There's a search field at the top of that panel. Type Code Block. In Webflow, this element is often referred to as Embed or Code Block, and it lets you place custom HTML, CSS, or small snippets of JavaScript right where you need them. This is ideal for social sharing buttons that typically rely on simple markup and links. Click the Code Block element to insert it. A code editor window will appear. Paste the code that adds social sharing buttons to your blog page into that window. For context, this code usually includes a set of anchor tags for platforms like X, Facebook, LinkedIn, or email, and may include lightweight SVG icons. Make sure the links reference the current page URL so each share points to the specific blog post. If your snippet uses any scripts, keep them minimal and from trusted sources, and avoid pasting anything that contains private tokens or keys. Before you close the editor, give the snippet a quick sanity check. Confirm your HTML is valid, your links open in a new tab if you prefer, and your icons have accessible labels so screen readers can identify them. If you're placing these buttons on a blog template, position the code block where you want the buttons to appear, typically near the top or bottom of the post content. When you're satisfied, click Save and Close. That's your confirmation that the embed has been stored with your page settings. If something doesn't show later, check for ad blockers or conflicting styles. Otherwise, you're all set. Your social sharing buttons are now part of your blog page layout.